Ever wish dinner came with a fast-forward button? Today, we're stress testing 30 Amazon kitchen gadgets that flip chaos into calm. Tools that cut prep time, shrink cleanup, and keep cash in your pocket. Here's the twist. One tiny under $20 pick outperforms a pricey appliance. Stick around for the moment everything clicks and your weeknights change. Kitchen Mama Electric Can Opener One Touch. Meet the can opener that takes the struggle out of dinner prep. With one-touch activation, Kitchen Mama glides along the lid and cuts from the side, leaving smooth, safe edges. No more jagged metal or hand strain. It's fully hands-free once started and battery-operated, so you can use it anywhere without a cord. The ergonomic shape is easy to grip and simple to clean, making it a great pick for busy home cooks, seniors, or anyone with limited hand strength. Small tool, big daily upgrade. OXO Good Grips Vegetable and Onion Chopper with Easy Pour Opening. This OXO chopper turns tedious dicing into a quick, satisfying press. Sharp stainless blades deliver uniform cubes for salsa, salads, stir-fries, and meal prep in seconds, while the non-slip base keeps everything steady. A clever easy pour corner lets you tip chopped ingredients straight into your pan. No lid juggling, no mess. The large capacity container reduces trips to the cutting board and disassembles for a fast rinse or dishwasher cleanup. If you want consistent results and less onion tears, this compact workhorse earns its counter space. KUQIHUG Rolling Grill Basket Set. Grill veggies, shrimp, wings, and small bites without losing a single piece to the flames. These rolling baskets are made from robust 304 stainless steel and fitted with removable wooden handles for cool, comfortable control. Load, latch, and roll. 360-degree rotation delivers even caramelization without constant flipping. The tight mesh keeps delicate foods secure while smoke and heat circulate freely for better flavor. Ideal for camping, tailgates, and backyard BBQs, this set streamlines grilling and serving, cuts down on flare-ups, and makes you look like a pit master. Meter Plus Smart Wireless Meat Thermometer. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to perfect doneness. Meter Plus is a truly wireless probe with dual sensors that monitor internal meat and ambient cooker temps at the same time. Pair it to the app for guided cooks, real-time alerts, and estimated finish times, so you can host, relax, and still nail that roast, steak, or whole chicken. A built-in Bluetooth range extender in the charger boosts connectivity, while the sleek probe cleans easily. If you want consistent restaurant-quality results, this is a simple, high-impact upgrade. Ninja CREAMi Deluxe 11-in-1 Ice Cream and Frozen Treat Maker. Turn dessert dreams into weeknight reality. The CREAMi Deluxe transforms frozen bases into ultra-smooth ice cream, gelato, sorbet, milkshakes, Italian ice, and more at the touch of a button. 11 programs handle textures from light and airy to rich and scoopable, and the respin option lets you fine-tune creaminess. XL capacity pints, 2 included, make enough to share, while mix-ins, from cookie chunks to fresh fruit, get evenly folded throughout. It's fast, fun, and endlessly customizable, so you can control ingredients, cut costs, and still serve crowd-pleasing treats. Dash Rapid Egg Cooker, 6-egg, with auto shut-off. Soft, medium, or hard, get eggs your way without standing over a pot. This compact cooker handles up to 6 eggs at once and also tackles poached eggs, scrambles, and mini omelets with included accessories. Just add water, press the button, and the auto shut-off takes it from there. No guessing, no green ring, and shells peel easier thanks to gentle steaming. Lightweight and apartment-friendly, it stores nearly anywhere and cleans up fast. For breakfast builders, meal preppers, and protein lovers, it's a tiny gadget with big payoff. Anova Precision Cooker Nano 3.0. Sous vide made simple. The Anova Nano 3.0 clips to almost any pot and circulates water precisely so steaks, salmon, eggs, even veggies cook edge to edge perfect every time. Its 800-watt heater gets to temperature quickly. Onboard controls are straightforward for set and forget confidence. Pair with resealable bags or reusable jars to lock in juices and flavor while avoiding overcooking entirely. Whether you're batch prepping or chasing steakhouse results at home, Nano 3.0 delivers reliability in a compact, budget-friendly form factor that earns a permanent spot in your toolkit. SodaStream Terra Sparkling Water Maker. Fizz on demand, no plugs, no hassle. Terra turns tap water into crisp, sparkling water in seconds and uses the modern Quick Connect, pink, carbon dioxide system for easy cylinder swaps. The included BPA-free 1-liter bottle locks in with a satisfying click, and the sleek design fits neatly on counters. Customize bubbles for subtle spritzers or full tilt sparkle, then flavor your way, from citrus slices to syrups. Ditch single-use bottles, save fridge space, and enjoy endless seltzer at home. It's cleaner, cheaper, and always refreshingly cold. ThermoPro TempSpike Wireless Meat Thermometer. Upgrade your grill game with long-range monitoring and precision. TempSpike's dual wireless probes track 2 cuts at once, while the booster base extends Bluetooth range for reliable alerts from the kitchen or couch. The companion app provides target temps, timers, and graphs so you can rest steaks, pull brisket on time, and avoid dry poultry forever. Waterproof construction, fast charging, and an easy-to-read display make it weeknight friendly and weekend ready. For BBQ, ovens, smokers, and rotisserie, this set brings pro-level control to everyday cooks. Ninja AF 101 4-quart air fryer. Crispy results with less oil and less effort. The AF 101's wide 105 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit range handles everything from gentle dehydration to sizzling fries and wings. A ceramic-coated 4-quart basket fits up to 2 pounds of fries, while the crisper plate promotes even airflow for golden crunch. Simple controls, a compact footprint, and dishwasher-safe parts make it a countertop favorite. Reheat leftovers to better than microwave quality, roast veggies fast, and crank out late-night snacks without heating the whole kitchen. Budget-friendly, time-saving, and seriously tasty. Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. One powerhouse, 13 ways to cook. Breville's Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro brings a spacious interior, intense convection, and Element IQ heating for fast, even results. Toast, bagel, bake, roast, air fry, dehydrate, proof, slow cook, pizza. This benchtop beast handles it all and even fits
the
a
Breville
14-pound
Smart Oven
turkey
Air
or a
is
9
super
by 13
convection.
pan. Intuitive presets and a bright display smooth the learning curve, while the included racks, basket, and pans cover weekday meals to weekend feasts. If you want versatility without sacrificing quality, this is it. simplehuman 9-ounce touch-free rechargeable sensor soap dispenser. Cleaner counters, cleaner hands. simplehuman sensor pump dispenses soap in a fraction of a second thanks to a clog-resistant tubing pump and precise, no-drip valve. It's fully rechargeable via USB, no disposable batteries, and the wide hinged lid makes refills neat and spill-free. Dial in the exact amount for hand washing or dish soap and enjoy consistent, touch-free dosing that cuts waste and mess. Sleek, compact, and reliable, it's a small upgrade that instantly modernizes your sink setup and keeps the kitchen workflow moving. Vitamix Ascent, a 3300 SmartPrep kitchen system. Blender legend, meet food processor speed. This A3300 bundle pairs Vitamix's variable speed, pulse-enabled powerhouse with the 12-cup food processor attachment, so you can chop, slice, shred, knead, blend, and puree with one motor base. The included reversible slice shred discs, multi-use blade, and disc storage case keep prep organized, while self-detect tech recognizes containers automatically. From silky smoothies and hot soups to slaws, doughs, and nut butters, it's an all-terrain kitchen system that saves space, time, and money by replacing multiple single-use tools. Ninja Combi, all-in-one multi-cooker, oven, and air fryer. Complete meals in as little as 15 minutes. Protein, veggies, and starch cooked together with Ninja's Combi technology that fuses superheated steam and rapid air for juicy insides and crispy outsides. 14 functions cover Combi meals, air fry, bake, toast, pizza, slow cook, proof, sous vide, and more. Family-friendly capacity handles a whole chicken, a 10-inch pizza, or big batches of fries. With dishwasher-safe accessories and a pan that doubles as the serving dish, it's fast food made better without the pile of dishes. VEPOKA Electric Silicone Food Warming Mat. Keep potluck hits and party trays perfectly warm from first bite to last. VEPOKA's countertop warming mat offers 7 adjustable temperature levels for gentle, even heat. Great for casseroles, soups, snacks, and sides. The generous surface area accommodates multiple dishes, while silicone construction grips cookware and wipes clean. Built-in auto shutoff adds peace of mind during long gatherings. For holiday spreads, game days, or everyday dinner pacing, it prevents overcooking and cold corners so guests can graze happily and you can host stress-free. Denovin Glass Measuring Cup. 6-ounce creamer pitcher with wood handle. A tiny upgrade that makes a big difference. This 6-ounce Denovin glass measuring cup is made from heat-resistant borosilicate, so it can handle espresso shots, steamed milk, sauces, and dressings without cracking. The clear, easy-read scale helps you pour precise amounts, while the drip-friendly spout keeps countertops clean. We also love the wood handle. It stays cool and adds a premium touch. For coffee routines, latte art practice, or small batch prep, it's a compact, durable helper that saves time and mess while looking great on your counter. Amzcku 50-ounce 1500 milliliter vintage glass teapot with removable infuser. Brew like a host with taste. This stovetop safe teapot is crafted from premium borosilicate glass and holds a generous 1.5 L. Perfect for guests or all-day sipping. The removable stainless infuser lets loose leaf and blooming teas fully open for richer flavor, and the vintage fluted design brings instant table-worthy charm. Because it's thermal shock resistant, you can move from hot to cold with confidence. If you want a beautiful, practical teapot that elevates daily brews and special moments alike, this is a functional showpiece you'll reach for constantly. cuomaop Japanese-style deep fryer pot with thermometer. Crispy results with calm control. This compact 304 stainless steel fryer pot heats evenly and includes a built-in thermometer so you can nail temperature level precision for chicken, fries, shrimp, or veggies. The clever lid doubles as an oil drain rack. Lift food out and let excess oil drip back into the pot to keep things crisp and reduce waste. High walls help cut splatter, and it works on gas, electric, and many induction cooktops. It's a budget-friendly way to get restaurant-quality frying at home without a bulky countertop appliance. Buaic 2-pack glass pitchers with lids, 68-ounce 2-liter, cold brew in the morning, sangria at night. These classic vertical stripe pitchers handle it all. Each 2-liter borosilicate glass carafe is heat-resistant, about 4 degrees Fahrenheit to 302 degrees Fahrenheit, so they're safe for hot or iced drinks. The stainless steel lid has 2 positions, free pour or strainer, for fruit-infused water and tea. A silicone seal helps prevent spills, and the slim square profile tucks neatly into fridge doors. Whether you're batching beverages for family or entertaining, this pair is a stylish, durable upgrade that replaces plastic and keeps drinks fresher, cleaner, and ready to pour. Daloop pancake and cupcake batter dispenser. Weekend pancake chaos solved. This 4-cup Daloop dispenser lets you portion batter cleanly with a squeeze handle for perfect pancakes, waffles, crepes, or cupcake liners. No drips, no trails across the counter. Integrated measurement markings help you mix and pour in one container, while the bottom release spout gives you precise placement on the griddle or into tins. It's especially great for cooking with kids or making uniform batches for meal prep. Less mess, better consistency, and faster breakfasts. This simple tool pays for itself in time saved. OXO Good Grips 3-in-1 Avocado Slicer. Avocado toast leveled up. OXO's fan-favorite 3-in-1 tool splits with a safe, serrated plastic blade, pits with a stainless steel pitter that grips and twists out the seed, and slices 7 perfect wedges in a single sweep. The non-slip handle keeps a steady grip even with slippery fruit, and cleanup is easy. Top rack dishwasher safe. It's faster and safer than wrestling with a knife and spoon, ideal for salads, tacos, sushi nights, and batch guac. If avocados are a weekly staple, this compact multitasker is a must. Instant Pot Duo Crisp 11 in 1/8 quart with air fryer and pressure lids. 1 pot, 2 superpowers. Swap lids to go from pressure cook and slow cook to air fry, roast, bake, dehydrate, and more. 11 programs in all. The 8-quart capacity fits family meals, while even crisp air fry tech delivers a golden crunch with up to 95% less oil. A tri-ply stainless inner pot supports searing, and over 10 safety features keep things worry-free. With dishwasher-safe parts, a helpful accessory kit, and app recipes, it's a true counter space saver that replaces multiple appliances and speeds dinner from what's for to ready. KitchenAid Artisan Tilt Headstand Mixer 5-quart, the icon for a reason. KitchenAid's 5-quart Artisan features a durable metal build with 59-point planetary mixing for thorough results, plus 10 speeds for everything from slow stir to whipped peaks. The tilt head design gives clear bowl access, and the included flat beater, dough hook, wire whip, and pouring shield cover everyday baking. With the Power Hub, it transforms into a pasta roller, food grinder, spiralizer, and more, attachments sold separately. If you want reliability and versatility for cookies, breads, and cakes, this workhorse delivers. Breville Barista Express Espresso Machine, cafe quality at home. The Barista Express grinds fresh with an integrated conical burr grinder, then nails extraction using PID temperature control and low-pressure pre-infusion for balanced shots. A powerful steam wand textures microfoam for latte art, and the grind size dial plus single double shot options put control in your hands. With a 67-ounce water tank, 0.5-pound hopper, and included Pro Tools, portafilter, razor trimmer, milk jug, filters, and more. It's a complete setup for espresso lovers ready to ditch the cafe line and dial in flavor. Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker. DIY Egg McMuffin in 5 minutes. Layer your English muffin, cheese, pre-cooked meat, and crack an egg into the non-stick cooking plate. When it's done, slide the plate to stack everything perfectly. The compact design preheats fast, removable parts clean easily, and you can swap in mini waffles, bagels, or croissants for fun twists. For students, busy mornings, or budget-friendly breakfasts, it's a tiny countertop hero that saves time and money while delivering hot, customizable sandwiches without a drive-thru. Utopia Roll-Down Egg Dispenser. Stop the egg carton shuffle. This roll-down dispenser automatically feeds the next egg forward as you take one, so the oldest gets used first. The slim, stackable design maximizes shelf space and visibility, and the smooth track keeps eggs from cracking or jamming. It sets up in seconds, no tools, has non-slip feet to stay put, and wipes clean easily. If you're meal prepping, baking often, or just want a neater fridge, this is a simple organizer that prevents waste and makes grabbing breakfast faster. Good Cook Touch 5. Blade meat chopper and masher. Ground beef, turkey, and potatoes don't stand a chance. The Good Cook Chopper's 5 curved blades break up meat quickly for taco night, while doubling as a masher for beans and root veggies. Heat-resistant nylon is safe on non-stick pans, and the ergonomic handle reduces wrist fatigue during longer cooks. It's dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Compared with a spatula, it delivers finer, more even texture, meaning faster browning, better sauce absorption, and smoother mash. A low-cost tool that dramatically speeds weeknight prep. 6-quart round chafing dishes 2-pack. Entertaining made easy. This 2-pack of 6-quart chafers includes frames, water pans, food pans, lids, and fuel holders. The full kit for buffets, brunches, holidays, or catering. Mirror-finished stainless steel looks professional and resists rust, while foldable frames make storage a breeze. The generous capacity keeps mains and sides hot for guests without constant reheating, and cool touch handles help with safe serving. If you host regularly, these reliable warmers elevate presentation and maintain ideal serving temperature so everyone enjoys hot, fresh food. Creole Feast TFS 3010. Propane fryer boiler steamer set. Bring the fish fry home. This outdoor set pairs a powerful 50,000 BTU burner with 2 pots, a 30-quart turkey fryer, and 10-quart fish fryer, plus smart accessories: perforated basket, thermometer, turkey rack, lifting hook, marinade injector, LP hose, and regulator. Fry, boil, or steam with quick heat up and easy oil temp monitoring for safer, tastier results. The sturdy stand keeps everything stable for backyard boils, tailgates, and holiday turkeys. If you cook for a crowd, it's a versatile, value-packed kit built for big flavors. Cuisinart Cast Iron Smashed Burger Press 6.5-inch. Those crispy, lacy edges? This is how you get them. The 6.5-inch heavy-duty cast iron press creates maximum contact for Maillard Magic on griddles and skillets, ensuring thin, even smash burgers with juicier centers. The flat, round edge makes it easy to press and release, and it doubles as a grill press for bacon, sandwiches, and more. Cast iron retains and distributes heat like a champ, and it's simple to maintain. For burger nights and backyard griddles, it's an instant upgrade to pro-level sear. That's a wrap. If one gadget earned a spot on your counter, tell me which and why in the comments. If this saved you time or money, tap like. It really helps. For more smart kitchen finds and honest stress tests, hit subscribe and ring the bell. Share this with a friend who loves shortcuts and bookmark for your next upgrade hunt. See something I missed? Drop your recommendations below. We'll test them in the next roundup.